All right, this has to be the cutest mouse you'll ever own, but it's not just a gimmick. This hamster-shaped mouse runs on a 2.4 gigahertz wireless connection for a stable, lag-free experience. Opening it up, comes in a nice little wrapped bag here, and it has instructions, although you don't need these. It's a really simple mouse. So here it is. Isn't that cool? I love it. I bought this for my wife. She just got a new computer and needed a mouse. So here we go. So it's got your little opening connector. This is for your USB. It's always the wrong way. And then a AA battery. Throw that right in there. Snaps in. You have on and off. And it connects super fast. Can you see the mouse? So it gives you the wheel, which also is a button where you can hold. I gotta have it down. So you can hold with the button, and then you have your normal left click and right click options. This is a simple mouse, but it is super effective. With 1200 DPI optical tracking, it's so smooth and accurate. Whether you're working, browsing, or doing light work, you'll just wonder how you ever live without this. The buttons are low noise, which means quiet clicks, perfect for offices, classrooms, or late night use. It's compact, lightweight, which makes it very easy to toss in your bag for travel, and it works with pretty much anything. I've used it on the PC and a Mac, and it works perfectly. And yeah, the cute hamster design makes for great gifts for kids, students, and honestly, anyone who's tired of boring setups. It's fun, portable, quiet, and actually reliable. Hard to beat this combo.